Hey there, fellow road traveler. Welcome. I'm John the Mouse. I have been in the trucking industry for over 20 years. I have been sharing different sites along the way and will continue to tell you my raw stories, expert tips, and must-know insights for your home and business to keep you rolling. Learn the ins and outs of heavy machinery, master road conditions, and drive alongside the different trucking lifestyle. Whether you're a driver, traveler, gearhead, or just love the cheese of the matter, gear up and let's travel this great highway together. Picture yourself cruising down a desert highway, your CB radio buzzing with a cryptic chatter. Breaker 19, there's a bear at the 120. If that sounds like a foreign language, you're about to crack the code. Today I'm diving into the world of CB radio lingo, the secret language that keeps truckers connected, safe, and laughing. Stick around because you're about to learn how to talk like a road pro. Hey, I'm John the Mouse, your guide to all things trucking. For over 20 years, I've hauled freight from coast to coast, sharing my adventures on YouTube at John the Mouse for the last 2 decades. From dodging speed traps to finding the best diner pie, CB radio lingo has been my trusty sidekick. In this video, we're going to explore what CB radio is, why lingo matters, and listen to real conversations packed with 10 codes and slang. This is your ticket to the trucking world's hidden language. Let's start with the basics. CB, or Citizens Band Radio, is a short-range communication system truckers have used since the 1940s, operating on 40 channels in the 27 megahertz band. It's like a walkie-talkie for the road. Perfect for sharing traffic updates, hazards, or just shooting the breeze. Channel 19 is the trucker's go-to. Through Channel 17 pops off on the West Coast. Think of CB as original social network. No cell phone towers needed. Why the lingo? Truckers don't have time for long-winded chats. CB lingo with its 10 codes and slang is like a shortcut, fast, discreet, and often hilarious. It's got 2 flavors. The 10 codes are like 10-4 for message received, and slang like bear for a police officer. This lingo helps drivers warn about speed traps, find wait stations, or just bond over a good story. Let me share one to show you how it works. Early in my career, I was a rookie hauling meat through Oklahoma. A storm was raging, and my CB cracked. 1033, twister up ahead. I didn't know 1033 meant emergency traffic, but an old-timer explained it, guiding me to a safe truck stop. That day, I learned CB lingo isn't just cool, it's a lifeline. Like a secret handshake that says, "You're one of us." So what's in this lingo? 10 codes are number phrases for quick messages, like 1020 for what's your location. Slang adds color. Alligator is a tire chunk on the road. Chicken coop is a wait station. And hammer down means speed up. There are over 210 codes and countless slang terms, varying by region, like Beantown for Boston or Shake City for LA. We'll dive deeper into the 10 codes and slang in the next few videos. But first, let's hear lingo in action. To show you how truckers really talk, I've scripted a conversation between 2 pros, Big Rig Little John and Diesel Don, on I-40 in New Mexico. They're on Channel 19, swapping road updates and banner. Listen closely. I'll break it down the terms after.
Breaker 19, this is Big Rig Little John, eastbound. Anybody got their ears on? What's the 20 back to the line, over?
10-4, Little John. This is Diesel Dawn, westbound at marker 150. Road's clear so far, but there's a chicken coop open. At the 120-yard stick got a bear sittin' pretty with a Kodak. Keep it under the double nickels. Copy? Over.
Roger that, Don. Appreciate the heads up. Don't need no Smokey taking my picture today. You see any alligators out there? Had one chew up my tire last week. Over.
Negatory on the Gators, Little John, but I dodged a bumper sticker back at Gallop. Some four-wheeler riding, my tail like I'm hauling gold. Hammer down now, though, motion lotion's flowing. What's your 20 headed? Over.
I'm California bound with this reefer load. Gotta keep the hammer down to make my slot. You? Over.
10-4. I'm dropping this flatbed in Amarillo, then bobtailing back east. Might hit the coop for a 10-100 if the line's short. You hear any 10-30, 3 up ahead? Over.
Negatory on the 1033. But I got a 1013 for you. Weather's looking dicey past the wagon wheel. Might want to check your wipers. Oh, and watch out for a bear bait flying past in a red pickup. Guy's weaving like he's on moonshine. Over.
Copy that, good buddy. I'll keep my eyes peeled for that bear bait. Thanks for the 1013. Say, you hit that diner in Tucumcari yet? Best pie this side of the Pecos. Over.
Affirmative, Don. That cherry pie's worth a 10-100 stop. Tell 'em Big Rig sent you. All right, I'm 1010 for now. Keeping that sunny side up. Catch you on the flip. Over and out.
10-4, Little John. Shiny side up, hammer down, and stay safe. Diesel Dawn's 1010. Out.
Wow, that's trucker talk in action. Let's unpack it. Breaker 19 kicks things off on Channel 19. 10-4 means I got it. Bear and Smokey are police, and Kodak is a radar gun. Alligator is a tire hazard. A bumper sticker is a tailgater. And of course, hammer down means speed up. Motion lotion is fuel. Reefer is a refrigerated trailer. And bobtailing is driving without a trailer. A 10-100 is a bathroom break. 1033 is an emergency. And the sunny side up wishes a safe trip. This mix of codes and slang is how truckers stay sharp and connected. Want to master CB lingo or learn more trucking skills? Check out John the Mouse University, my online hub for free and premium courses built on my 20 years of road wisdom. From CB basics to logistics. It's all there. Link in the description. CB lingo isn't just words. It's trucking's soul. Born in the 1970s, the CB boomed, fueled by movies like Smokey and the Bandit. It blends practicality with personality. Terms vary by region, like Beantown for Boston, Shake City for LA, but the vibes are universal. Community. Even with the cell phones today, CBs shine in remote areas where signals fade, keeping truckers tight-knit. Well, that's your intro to CB lingo. Its roots, roll, and real-world sound. In our next video, we'll master the 10 codes to make you a CB pro. Subscribe and hit the bell and share your favorite CB terms in the comments. I'm all ears. For more, visit John the Mouse University. Keep the sunny side up and catch you on the flip. I truly appreciate you spending time with us today. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you as part of the John the Mouse University. I can't wait to see you there. Here's a few videos you might enjoy. Thanks again. Until we meet again.